Well, that's not just wildfire smoke in the sky. We have some clouds, and it is trying to rain. I will tell you, the boundary level, the air right at the surface of the earth is so dry that as the raindrops fall, they evaporate. So we're not having a whole lot of luck having anything hit the ground just yet. Let me know if it's raining at your house. Send me a email or tell me on Facebook. Your forecast first for tonight: showers and possible thunderstorms with an overnight low of 64 degrees. For tomorrow, skies clear. We may start the day off with some clouds and possibly some showers. Winds pick up in the afternoon, gusts to 30 miles per hour, a high temperature of 82. A drop from today, our high today 84. It's going to cool down even more for Friday. No precipitation out at the airport yet. Our sunset tonight, 7:47. Right now it's 81 in Spokane with cloudy skies, southwest winds at 10. It's 83. Clear skies for the time being in Coeur d'Alene. That is not the trend over the next few hours. Winds out of the west-southwest at 8. Wildlife Wednesday photos to share with you. I am always amazed anyone can capture pictures of hummingbirds. Here is a beautiful one from Angela Roth. Took this on her deck in 9 Mile Falls. Meanwhile, big ears on this mule deer fawn. Mark Vogt saw this beautiful creature in the wildflowers around Priest Lake. And my buddy Cliff Snow on Diamond Lake watched this. He sent a bunch of pictures of this bald eagle walking along the beach, walked in, got himself a little snack, and appears to be finding a nice spot on Cliff's deck there to enjoy. Thank you, Cliff. Cliff's lived at Diamond Lake for 55 years. All right, here is our Doppler radar, which does not really compute when you look out the window. There's not raining much. Like I say, if it's raining at your house, let me know. It is trying to rain, and eventually that boundary layer will moisten and we'll start to see a little bit of light precipitation, but should be less than 1/10 of an inch unless we get some thunderstorms going. Strong cold front is going to cool things down, pick up the winds, and here's our 24-hour forecast. It is not in much of a hurry over the next 24 hours, sinking off to the south and east. Behind it, we will cool things down, but only temporarily, back up in the 90s before you know it. Overnight lows tonight will be in the 50s and 60s around the region, with highs tomorrow in the 80s and even 90 degrees in Lewiston. Not much of a cold front. Here's your 7-day forecast. 79 on Friday. That's as cool as it gets. And we will be right back up in the 90s. Looks like as early as Sunday, and staying there through the last day of summer vacation for many kids, Wednesday, with a high of 92.
Back to the 90s. You know, and everybody likes this hot weather, Kris.
Everybody does?
Not everybody does.
Not everybody
does. So the question is, though, are you looking forward to winter?
While most camera lenses were pointed at the eclipse, we still ended up with some great Wildlife Wednesday photos, including this front one from Mark Vogt, who did go photograph the eclipse in the Mount Rainier area, but spotted this gorgeous cow moose and calf near Nordman, Idaho. Great shot, Mark. Another Wildlife Wednesday photo for you. This is from Joy and Cliff Schwab in Winthrop. 4 grouse, that's all that would fit on their bird bath on one of the hotter days here recently, just trying to stay cool. And finally, story behind this one from Joshua Stricker. He says that they were having a camp out on Saturday morning, and this mama deer woke them up. Evidently on the other side of the camp there were some plums on the ground, and she was snorting at them because she had to cross their camp to get to the plums and was put off by that. So great shot from Joshua. Thank you. All of these photos will be, and many more will be, posted on my Facebook page here in about 10 minutes. Here's a look at our Doppler radar. Wow, some rain. I have not even broken out the Doppler radar. It's pretty dusty after, well, this would have been our 56th day in Spokane with no measurable rain. Looks like we may end up with more than a trace at the airport, which would stop our streak in the 9th longest run of dry days position, but then again, we're starting to dry out already, and so may end up only being a trace. But there is another round of wet weather coming overnight with the potential for some thunderstorm development as well. It's 78 right now and cloudy at the airport. Dew point at 51. That is increased, so we have a good shot at least getting something out of these rain showers. Winds out of the southwest at 9 miles per hour. It's 80 degrees. Still reporting sunshine out on the Prairie and Coeur d'Alene. Southwest winds at 6. On our Doppler radar and satellite right now, we do have a cold front that's going to be pushing through overnight. Most of the precipitation over by tomorrow morning, and then behind it, cooler and windier weather. Wind gusts tomorrow up to 30 miles per hour. Here's a look at our national satellite and radar. We have got Tropical Depression Harvey threatening some flooding concerns through the deep south and into the Texas Gulf Coast. Meanwhile, red flag warnings in effect for a good portion of the western United States because of tomorrow's winds. Temperatures for highs today, 75 in Seattle. That's a 10-degree drop from yesterday. 91 in Boise and Salt Lake City. Triple-digit heat in Las Vegas and Phoenix. It was 82 today in New York City and 86 in Washington, D.C. Your 7-day forecast, a windy day tomorrow. It should be sunny once the morning clouds clear. 79 on Friday, and then we are right back up into the 90s starting on Sunday and continuing through. I know many kids have already gone back to school, but in Spokane School District, Wednesday is the last day.